Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news the US is moving to end its government shutdown. First, Wall Street has started its week positively with the S&P 500 rising and the Nasdaq rising even more, and the Dow Jones gaining over 240 points as optimism grows that the US federal government shutdown could end soon. In a procedural vote yesterday, the Senate advanced the first stage of a deal to reopen the government. The proposal must still be debated and passed by the Senate and approved by the House of Representatives, which is Republican-controlled, where its passage remains quite uncertain. In Canada, their market participants survey showed that trade tensions with the US are the key issue driving financial markets there. Despite that, those surveyed reckon 2025 will deliver a 1% economic expansion this year and more next year. In Indonesia, there was a good bounce back in consumer sentiment there in October after 5 months of angst. The affordability crisis that played out on some streets there seems to have faded somewhat. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.11%, up 2 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $4,092 an ounce, up $92 from this time yesterday, and a 2.3% gain on bets the Fed will cut its rates after weak US data. Silver surged 3% to $50 an ounce, its highest level since October the 20th. And American oil prices are down 50 cents at just on $59.50 a barrel, with the international Brent price unchanged at $63.50 a barrel. Fundamentally low expected demand is keeping this price low. It is holding at a 4-year low and levels first seen in 2017. And the Kiwi dollar is now just on 56.3 US cents, unchanged from yesterday, against the Aussie we're 10 basis points lower at 86.4 Australian cents and a new 12-year low. Against the euro we're up 10 basis points at 48.8 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 60.9 and up 10 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.